फ्रेंड्स, एक खबर आ रही है सीबीआई से। सीबीआई ब्रिंग्स आउट अपडेटेड क्राइम मैनुअल आफ्टर 15 ईयर्स। ये खबर आ रही है। ये खबर है कि द सीबीआई हैज़ ब्रॉट आउट अ रिवाइज क्राइम मैनुअल आफ्टर 15 ईयर्स by keeping sight of latest developments in law investigation techniques and procedures. The crime manual, which has standard operating procedures for the officials of the premier investigating agency, was released by Minister of State for Personnel Jitendra Singh on Monday in an official event. The event was attended by CBI Director Rishi Kumar Shukla and the other senior officers of the agency. A statement issued by the Personnel Ministry said Jitendra Singh congratulated the CBI for bringing out the updated crime manual after 15 years by keeping sight of latest development in law, investigation techniques and procedures. It said the last crime manual was updated in 2005. अभी क्राइम मैनुअल की ज़रूरत क्या है, मैं आप लोगों को एक ब्रीफ बता देता हूँ क्या है बेसिकली एक क्राइम मैनुअल और इसकी ज़रूरत क्यों है। इसकी ज़रूरत इसलिए है, the CBI's crime manual lays down the standard operating procedures for the agency to implement in matters pertaining to special investigation, economic offences, and cyber crimes. The crime manual dictates the working of the investigative agency and lays down procedures on how the agency is expected and supposed to act in its investigations. At the same time, the manual will also lay down procedures for the agency to engage with other law enforcement agencies and increase coordination to iron out any problems in its investigation. It will also stress on increased coordination between state police departments in India. It will also lay down how the CBI will better engage with international law enforcement agencies, with the CBI stating that crimes were becoming international in nature, with information sharing becoming imperative between the CBI and the other agencies as well. ये बहुत बड़ी बात मानी जा रही है जो ये मैनुअल अब अपडेट हुआ है। तो फिलहाल सीबीआई से एक बड़ी खबर मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ। फिलहाल इतना ही। धन्यवाद।